Awesome, let's head back to the evaluation section once more and focus on the last part of it, the performance management. Here, you can create goals and key results for your colleagues. As you can see, we've got our main objective of enhancing product performance, with Mathieu being responsible for its fulfillment. Under this objective, there are some key performance indicators showing the progress towards the main goal. Each can have a different person responsible for them. Okay, but let me create a new objective and key results now. Simply click the Add button and enter some necessary information like the title of the objective. I will type in Increase Brand Presence in Media. I will set the deadline for the end of April, and I can also add some short description over here if needed. Finally, name someone responsible for this objective, double-check the data and create it. Now it's time to create those essential key results. Open the goal and either add the key results yourself or let the AI generate it for you. Superb! I've got 3 key performance indicators here, which I can easily modify by clicking them. On the right side, you may edit everything from assigning a responsible person and giving it a deadline to things like a priority of this sub-goal. You can also decide on whether this key result has a measurable metric. If the answer is yes, then name your metric accordingly. Like comments per post, set the initial value, which can be a 0 in my case. Set the target value that you want to reach, and also the current value that you can later update. Going back to the dashboard, you can always follow the progress of these key results in the form of bars. Nice and simple. But did you know that apart from these team and company goals, you can also add personal goals for each user? To do this, we must go to the User Management section, open the folder of our colleague, and move to the Evaluation tab. Here you'll find the goals, which this employee is already responsible for, and you can add a new personal goal to the list by clicking the button over here. Perfect! So you know how to create and assign skill sets and evaluation questionnaires and how to create team and personal goals. Once the team leader is done with the actual evaluation, all they have to do is to scroll down and click this button called Save the Updated Version of the Evaluation. They just need to enter a name for this version and decide on whether a generated PDF protocol should require a signature of the employee. If it doesn't, a simple PDF will be created, and additionally, you can always find the history of all the evaluations here. And that wraps up our evaluation module. Happy evaluating days!